Good morning at the coffee shop.
Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Emma.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
The coffee smells really good here.
Yes, it does.
I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Me too.
What are you having today?
I am having a black coffee.
I am having a latte with milk.
That sounds nice.
Do you want to try it?
Sure, just a little.
Here you go.
It's really smooth.
I'm glad you like it.
Maybe I will order one next time.
You should.
What are your plans for today?
I have some work in the morning.
And after that?
After that, I am free.
Great, let's meet again later.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I am going to the post office.
Ah, I know where that is.
Is it far from here?
No, it's very close.
How do I get there?
Walk straight down this street.
Okay, straight ahead.
Then turn left at the bank.
Turn left at the bank. Okay.
The post office is on your right.
Is it a big building?
Yes, it has a blue sign.
A blue sign. Got it.
You can't miss it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How long will it take to walk there?
About 5 minutes.
That's not far at all.
No, it's very close.
Thanks again for your help.
Have a nice day.
At the supermarket.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I need some fresh bread.
The bread is in aisle 3.
Thank you. And milk.
Milk is near the bread, too.
Great, that's easy to find.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need some apples.
Apples are in the fruit section.
Where is the fruit section?
It's at the front of the store.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Actually, yes, I need eggs too.
Eggs are next to the milk.
Perfect, that's very convenient.
This store is easy to shop in.
Yes, I really like it here.
Let me know if you need more help.
I will, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too, thanks again.
Lunch at the restaurant.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, I really like it here.
What do you want to eat?
I think I want the soup.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I want a sandwich.
Good choice.
Should we order some water too?
Yes, please.
The food here is always fresh.
I agree. It's really tasty.
Have you been here before?
Yes, a few times.
What do you usually order?
I usually order the soup.
It must be really good then.
It is. You should try it sometime.
Maybe next time I will.
I think our food is coming now.
Perfect. I am hungry.
Me too. Let's eat.
Enjoy your meal, Emma.
You too, Mark.
At the pharmacy.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I have a small headache.
I see. Since when?
Since this morning.
I can give you something simple.
That would be great.
Take this after lunch.
1 pill after lunch.
Yes, that's right.
Do I need water with it?
Yes, please drink some water.
Okay, I will.
Rest a little today, too.
I will try to rest.
Is there anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
You're welcome.
How much is this?
It's $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Waiting at the bus stop.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mark.
Are you waiting for the bus, too?
Yes, I am.
Do you know when it comes?
It usually comes at 3.
It's almost 3 now.
Yes, it should be here soon.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's very sunny.
I like sunny days like this.
Me too. They make me happy.
Where are you going today?
I am going to the city center.
Oh, I am going there too.
We can sit together on the bus.
That sounds nice.
Look, the bus is coming now.
Finally, right on time.
Let's get ready.
After you.
Thank you, Mark.
No problem at all.
Buying a train ticket.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to buy a ticket, please.
Sure. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Manchester.
Okay. One moment, please. When do you want to travel?
Today, if possible.
Yes, there is a train today. It leaves at 2 o'clock.
That sounds good. How much is the ticket?
A one-way ticket is 20 pounds.
Can I have a return ticket?
Yes, of course. A return ticket is 35 pounds.
Okay, I will take the return ticket.
Great. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your train leaves from platform 4.
Platform 4, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Evening at home.
It is a long day.
Yes, but a good day.
We did many things today.
Yes, we did.
I am happy we are together today.
Me too.
What do we do this weekend?
We can go to the park.
That is nice.
We can also watch a movie.
I like that too.
Let's decide tomorrow.
Okay, that is good.
Are you tired now?
Yes, a little.
Me too. It is a busy day.
We need rest now.
Good idea.
Thank you for today, Mark.
Thank you too, Emma.
Good night.
Good night, Emma.
See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.